So welcome back to another video. Today I actually got like rinsed on the market. I mean, I'm down, as you can see, 197 on the day. It's not bad. I know it's not that much, but at the same time, bro, it's just extremely disappointing because I mean, the model was there. Everything was there to play out. It's just it didn't actually follow through. So I'm gonna get right into the example to show you exactly what went through my mind, why I took the trade, and just how the outcome actually was, since you can't always win every single trade, which is the hard truth. So let's get right into the video. So first off, coming into the day, I mean, we are of course at all-time highs, which you can't really trade all-time highs, which sucks because I mean, my model is always look left. So since I have nothing at the all-time highs to the left, I was initially expecting us to come down into the zone because then we have our sell side liquidity as long as we have this 1 hour fair value gap and the 4 hour fair value gap that we're going to sweep liquidity, maybe do a little market structure shift and then head higher to continue our all-time highs push. But it didn't actually work that way. We ended up breaking right through. So I was like, okay, I didn't take the entry there, obviously, because there was no form of market structure shift or any reason to take the entry on the 1 minute. So I'm like, okay, I mean, let's wait it out. Maybe we're gonna come down and take out this sell side. Well, long story short, we took out that sell side. So now I was fairly interested. I'm like, okay, well, we also have on the 5 minute, we had this little fair value gap, which was very nice. Yeah, I mean, everything was there. We had the sell side liquidity, we had the fair value gap. Now we came to the 1 minute and right away we tried to look for our entry model. Well, right away I saw that right, where was it? It was right here. We swept, then we made a market structure shift. So right away, once I saw this market structure shift get put right into place, respecting that 5 minute candle, that right 5 minute fair value gap, I was like, okay, this is going good. Right here, I saw this wick. So I didn't take the trade. Why? Because we're wicking it. We didn't actually make a full body close to confirm that market structure shift. So I said, okay, not a problem. Let's wait it out. Let's see what happens. So now I took my standard deviation, also like the Fibonacci, look for the 0.5, bang, right here, I had that 0.5 getting tapped. So I'm like, all right. So I could have taken a long off this wick right here, but again, it's not a valid market structure shift. So I didn't take it. I was waiting. I'm being patient in the market, waiting for the model to present itself for me to actually execute on it. I'm not executing based on emotions. I'm not coming into the zone. I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to miss my trade, blah, blah, blah. No, absolutely not. I'm waiting till the market presents itself for me to take the entry and my rules are followed. So sell side liquidity, 5 minute fair value gap, two confluences right there that are positive, market structure shift, third positive, because now we actually created that break. Now, fourth, right to that 0.5. This was our entry right here. So right here, I take my entry, obviously right away, big push up. That was very nice. Right off the discount or equilibrium of the price range. Right now, taking the long, but sadly, we had a little Drake-sized candle that decided to come and sweep us out. But at first, when I took the entry, my take profit was at the highs. My stop loss when I entered was right below this swing low. Yes, a 1.7. It's trash, but I was mostly targeting up to here, which gave me about a 2. Yeah, it was about there. So the second I had this form of my stop loss in this area, because this is a low, which is also protected. The second that I saw we were jumping in this area, jumping around, we also created a SMT, which was right here, I believe. It was right here, made this SMT. It was right in this area. So the second that this SMT got put in place, I was like, okay, this is a protected low. I know that I can like take this low and I'll be sure that we don't break below it. So stop loss got reduced right to here. And well, right here, the SMT got taken out, my stop loss got swiped, and that actually protected me from bigger losses. So I'm very happy that I actually moved my stop loss there because I saw that SMT get put in place. But yeah, I mean, you can't win all your trades. Hey, look, I was on a good little streak. Did get broken, yeah. It is what it is. But look, at the end of the day, I know that next time that just because we see a sweep over here and then a second break, maybe it's not the strongest market structure shift, which is perfectly fine, bro. I'm learning. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, down below, I have my link to my Discord. If you are interested, try to join a little community. We are all talking there during New York Open. It's a lot of fun. If you are interested, let me know in the comments. I'll send you the link or just click the link down below. Also to my favorite broker, link is down below. You get a little discount for signing up there. So yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day and ciao.